Yesterday, I asked you to sell gold at 1635 and below levels, and you can expect 1625, 20 levels. See, 1620 achieved. Likewise, silver has also achieved close to 1830 levels. Now, what can be expected today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session exactly 12 hours from now. So do press the bell icon. Let's start the day. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully and note down the level. Now see, these are the early charts for gold. Clearly you can see there is a support. It is taken from 1621 and see one bullish candle, second bullish candle, and bullishness is diminishing here. You can see the body size has reduced. At the same time, it is trying to trade in this channel. 1633 is a pivot right now. And once again, if you see 16, you can find out this zone at 1627, 26 now to provide a support, and only if it trades below 1626 you can expect a little further drop. Rather, I will say sell only once you see it trading below 1625. At the same time, on the upside, you can take 1635 as the level where you can buy. So in between 1625 to 35, do not trade. Now this is clear, and if it tries to in fact rise above 1635, the next target is going to be this zone at 1640. Very strong resistance, and beyond that 1645, 50 levels should come into picture. Now see, the directional movement was bearish. It is trying to converge a little, and we can see with couple of green candles it is already start converging. Stochastic looking to enter into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish crossover. I will wait for it to sustain a little, and then yes, you can expect little more green candles. RSI is flat. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Now look at the 2-hour charts. After consolidating for a little and narrowing triangle, it is shown. After that, it has given a good breakout. Dropped since then. 1620 lower lows it has achieved, trying to reverse. So yes, if it has achieved 1650 earlier, now 1640 level should be the next target, which is definitely going to be a stronger resistance. You can buy here at 1635 levels and then expect it to achieve 1638.40 zone, which is going to be a very strong resistance, and only if it trades above 1640, you can expect that we may see further rise till towards 1645 and 50 levels. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge though. The stochastic was oversold, trying to bounce back. MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move, and RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts, consolidated and then broke out. Now see, it is trying to give you symmetry. It has achieved the higher levels than this. I will wait for the next candle. If the next candle you see it bringing or taking it further upwards till towards 1635, possibly once it breaks 1635, you can definitely expect that we may see another green candle which might take it till towards 1640, 45, which is a very strong resistance zone. See, 45 to 50, there is a very strong resistance, and yes, if it breaks past 50, definitely we can see it flying for 60 levels. Directional movement is bearish, willing to converge here. Stochastic is oversold. We may see a bounce back. And look at the MACD, it is trying to converge. It is already trading bearish, and RSI is bouncing back up from the bottom. Likewise on the 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, you will find that lower highs and then a breakout candle. It has achieved the bottom and trying to reverse from here. It is consistently giving you higher lows and higher highs despite a breakout. Yes, watch out for 1633. Beyond that, we can expect 1635, 38, 40 levels. So yes, you can take a buy position at 1633 or 35. You can choose. As per the 35 is a little safe entry, but you can buy at 33 itself. Expect 40 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance zone. So you have to trade your trade with the trailing stop loss, so that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. And yes, 1645 first target, 1640 first target, 1645 the next strongest resistance, and then 1650 levels. Beyond that, we must see 1660 today itself if it tries to break past this. On the other hand, if you see it trading below 1625, you can go short, you can sell there, expect 1620 levels to get achieved, and in fact below 1620 you can expect a further sharper drop. The directional movement willing to converge here. We may see a little bullish move, possibly. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. I will wait for it to crossover and enter into a bullish zone. Right now it's still trading bearish, and stochastic RSI is at bottom here, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, it is started with a little tail out there. It is giving you higher lows, and now see, these two lines were well aligned. So if you see it rising from here, and if it breaks past 1645, certainly you can expect 1650, 1653 levels at least to get achieved. And in fact, beyond that, 1660 cannot be denied. But remember this fact. See, it has broke out yesterday from the support at 1640, and it has given a strong breakout where it is achieved 1620 levels. Also, another observation is one bearish candle, a smaller bearish candle. Probability of a reversal exists from here, but then it can give you similar size of candle. It can achieve 1620 and it can achieve 1650, and from there it can try to retrace a little till towards 1660 and plus levels. Possibility exists, yes, and you have to be cautious till the time it trades above 1620. There is always possibility of a bounce back on the upside. The directional movement so far is bearish. It is trading parallel. The stochastic is oversold. We can look forward for a little bullish move from here. The MACD is divergent. We can look forward to a convergence here. The RSI is oversold, and hence I will expect a bounce back. Yes, you can buy here at 1633, expect 1638, 40 zone to provide a resistance, and then beyond 40, 1645 is the target. Beyond 45, I will expect it to hit 1650 to 53 zone, and beyond that it will fly for 1660 level. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside, only sell entry I will recommend today is at 1625 levels. You can sell there at 1625. Expect 1620 to provide a support, and if 1620 is taken, we may see a sharper drop till towards 16. See, first beyond 1620 also there is a support at 1618, and if that is taken, we will see it hitting 1612, 1608 levels. So do not trade between 2533, or rather I will say 2535, and trade with caution in between 1650 or 1645 and 1620 levels. So trade with caution, trade with the stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts is trying to trade in this channel, and you can see the highs of this channel are at 1885 levels, close to 1880, 85. That is what it is trying to attempt and achieve. Yes, you can buy here at 1860, which is definitely a good resistance there, and beyond that we can see it flying high for 1870, 1880 and 1885 levels, which are going to be the next resistance zone. Only and only if silver trades above 1900, that is should be considered as a bullish move. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge and enter into a bullish. Stochastic trying to bounce back up and enter into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over just, and it is trading in green, and the RSI is trying to look upwards and trade in a bullish zone. Now look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, it has taken a support at 1830, trying to rise. Look at this channel. It can attempt and try to achieve 1880, 85 levels. 1860 is the next resistance. Yes, if it breaks past 1860 and sustains, you can expect 1870, 1880, 1885, in fact 1890 levels, which are going to be the next target level. Be cautious till towards 1880. It can attempt and achieve 1880 and try to drop from there. Remember, till the time it trades below 1890 levels, it is going to remain bearish. We are looking forward to a sideways bearish zone, and hence, yes, achieving 1880, 1890 level, it can try to drop again. The directional movement is bearish. It is willing to converge. The stochastic is oversold, trying to bounce back from these levels. The MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move, and RSI is trying to look upwards, indicating little bullishness there. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, likewise 1860 definitely a good resistance. Yes, beyond that you can try to buy, but then 1870, 1880 levels you should be cautious of. Then in fact 1885, 90 levels are the next resistance, and then 1900 will come into picture. Only and only if it sustains above 1900, consider it for a reversal, else it can try to drop again. So yes, you can sell there at 1840, which is a very strong support. Now below 1840 we can see a good drop for 1820, 1800 levels. Do not trade between 1840 and 1820, that is very clear. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is oversold. It may try to bounce back. The MACD is willing to converge. It is trading in red. RSI is trying to bounce back. It is trading at bottom. Likewise, on the 4-hour chart, it is showing you a reversal. Possibly once it trades with the next candle above 1860, you can consider it for a reversal. You can expect 1670, 1680, 1685, which is going to be resistance in 1860. You can buy at 1860. Beyond that, 1870, 1880, 1885, and 1890. Watch out for these levels. And then 1900. If it breaks beyond 1900, consider it for a stronger bullish move. Then you can expect 1920, 1940 levels. But be cautious and alert till towards 1900. It can achieve those levels and drop from there. Be very cautious till then. You have to trade with a stop loss. On the downside, only sell entry today is 1840, confirmed again. So from multiple charts on multiple time frames, this is confirmed that do not trade between 1840 and 1860. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge here. Possibly we may see little bullish move. RSI is at bottom, trying to bounce back. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, look, silver was consolidating here. It gave a breakout. See a bearish candle and a smaller bearish candle. The body size has diminished and now it is trying to reverse. Only and only if it sustains above 1900, consider that for a stronger bullish reversal. Else it is just a retracement. Possibly till the time it trades below 1890, 1880, there is always a larger chance that it can try to reverse again and drop till towards 1800. Possibility is very strong. Till the time it trades below 1900, yes, it can be considered bearish. And then 1800 is a very strong support we have always seen. Directional movement on the daily charts is bearish. It is divergent. Stochastic is oversold. Possibly we may see a reversal from here. The MACD has just, that is the point of concern, that the MACD has just crossed over. This is divergent. Only two red candles. Possibility exists that you can see larger red candles, and hence you have to trail your stop loss. If you enter a buy position at 1860, you have to trail your stop loss with just 5 points of move. And yes, you can expect 1870, 1880, 1885, 1890, 1900 at the resistance. Only bullishness above 1900. At the same time, take a sell at 1840 and then expect it to drop for 1830, 1820, 1800 levels. The RSI is trading flat and you can see the bearishness here in on MACD. So be cautious and alert on 1840 and 1860. Do not take any position in between these levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October. Only couple of seats left. You can book your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can be part of my signals group or just become a patron and support the effort. All the links mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.